ডাবভার্স দ্বারা চালিত। ওয়াও, চল একটি বাড়ি তৈরি করি। এই শৃঙ্খলার জন্য তুমি দারুণ কাজ করছো, প্রিয়। ডাবভার্স দ্বারা চালিত। স্থির রাখো, নিখুঁত। আবার চালো। দেখো, সে মজা করছে। আমি প্রায় পেয়েছি। দেখো, বাবা, মা, প্রায় পৌঁছে গেছি। আমি সাহায্য করতে পারি। ডাবভার্স দ্বারা চালিত। শেড করেছে।
Yes.
Easy, Tiger. Oops, not yet. Yay! Unbreakable! Gotcha! Super catch! I love you.
Morning, new home.
Okay, I'll install the lamp now.
I'll hold her up.
Wow, Daddy.
There we
It's
go.
perfect. Good job, sweetie.
That's it, clever girl. All right, team, let's get this bed built.
I'll tighten these screws.
Yay, pillows are so soft. Put the pillows on, Dad. We did it.
I'll tighten the screws.
Great job, everyone.
Let's get this floor sparkling.
I'm ready with the dustpan.
That's my little helper.
Got it, Mommy.
Teamwork makes it fun. Oh, careful there, sweetie. I've got...
Woo!
Be careful, dear.
Yay!
Okay, this should be the right length. Perfect fit, all secure. I'll bring the table.
I'll get the chairs.
Perfect, right here.
Thank you both.
Let's make the table beautiful.
And these are for you.
Oh, they're lovely!
Yay, flowers.
This will make it perfect for you, sweetie.
Yay, thank you, Daddy.
Almost there.
It looks wonderful.
All done.
You're very talented. These will look lovely here.
They smell so nice, Mommy.
Here are the rest, dear.
Thank you.
Hold it steady, dear.
It's looking lovely.
I can help. Whoa.
Careful now. Oh, sweetie. Okay, let's hang these.
Careful with that one.
I want to help.
We did it, my loves.
It's beautiful, just like our family.
I love it.
What a lovely home, my dear.
It is. Now, let's get ready for fishing.
Yay, fishing.
All right, let's go.
What a lovely day for a walk.
Ooh, look, a toadstool.
Be careful, sweetie.
Got one!
Whoa. Oh, sweetie.
There, all better.
I got one!
Yay! So pretty.
Time to eat, everyone.
Mm.
I'm glad you like it.
Perfect.
Let's build a swing.
Yes, let's do it.
There, it's ready.
Higher, higher.
Hold on tight.
Higher.
Here we go.
Ah.
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it? Oh, how lovely.
Oh, they're lovely.
I'm happy.
Time to sleep, little one.
Okay, Mommy. Tell me a story, Mom.
Subscribe to our channel. New stories are waiting for you.